Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change our chat theme on Facebook Messenger in 2024. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Please put your like and let's get started. First we need to go to Messenger. Here we need to go to name of our friend and here click theme. Scroll down and choose monochrome theme. Here we can click select and that's all. Go back and here we have monochrome theme. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.